So here's a task 1, and in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to take a paragraph which is at around maybe the 6th level and to easily push it up into the upper band, which we call the 7 to 9 level. So here we have a paragraph that is describing the first pie chart here. It's actually a pretty good paragraph, but here's why it doesn't reach above a 6. There is good organization here. It starts with in 1990, which tells us what the paragraph is about. Most people don't do this. It does start with the largest figure, then it moves to the smallest, and then it moves to the middle two. So it does cover all 4 of these categories, which is good. However, it doesn't do it in the most logical way. It starts with the largest, then goes to the smallest, and then looks at the middle numbers. It's not so logical for us. Start with the largest and move down to the smallest. It's easier to understand, isn't it? The other thing is that this person here is just listing percentages. They're writing the exact numbers. They're not showing any ability to present numbers in different ways. However, there are some comparisons here. We have the most largest, which is grammatically wrong, of course. We have the smallest, and we have second highest. So this person is doing some good things here. They're covering the whole task. They are doing some comparisons, but they're not presenting numbers in different ways, and they're not really doing it logically. There are also clear spelling errors, proportion, we have government, we have addition, we have highest, so really clear spelling problems, and we have some grammar problems, most largest, most smallest. There are a couple of whiches here, which means that the person is presenting some complex sentences. So this is what we see at around the 6th level. It's pretty good, but not great in any particular area. So here's a better paragraph where we fixed the errors. We're looking at it more logically, and we're using a couple of different ways to present data. In 1990, entrance tickets accounted for the largest percentage at 35%. It is so important to be able to write these basic sentences accurately. Notice the commas, notice the at before 35%. The next sentence, now I'm going to look at the next lowest figure, which is gifts of money. The proportion for gifts of money by individuals stood at just over a quarter. So here, instead of writing 27%, I'm saying just over a quarter. Please notice how we spell quarter. A lot of Chinese candidates often don't write the R, comma, with that of sales in shops representing marginally lower. So instead of writing 23%, I'm going to say it's marginally lower. The smallest source was government funding at 15%. You can see I've covered all the categories in order from largest to smallest,